Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about unsupervised learning for future selection, a proposed solution for botnet detection in 5G network. Unsupervised learning in sense unlabeled data set. Future selection, selecting best futures, a proposed solution for botnet detection in 5G network. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Internet of Things is promising technology that brings tremendous benefits if used optimally. At the same time, it has resulted in an increase in cybersecurity risks due to the lack of security for IoT devices. IoT botnet, for instance, have become a critical threat. However, systematic and comprehensive studies analyzing the importance of botnet detection methods are limited in the IoT environment. Botnet attack is one of the serious threats on the internet today. This article proposes pattern-based future selection methods as part of a machine learning based botnet detection system. Specifically, two methods are proposed. The first, unsupervised clustering method, to label the data futures automatically, and the second, future selection method, uses best future selection. The evaluation results show that the proposed methods have improved the performance of the botnet detection. To evaluate the performance using machine learning and proposed deep learning algorithm to find high accuracy status. Okay, next flow diagram. This is our project flow. Start, select and load dataset, pre-processing, clustering, data splitting, future selection, classification, and then prediction. First, start our program. Next, select and load IoT botnet detection dataset. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is clean the data set and checking null values. If you have any null values, replace with zero values and change categorical values to numerical values. Next, clustering. Clustering is grouping the data set, that is labeling, assigning, that is IoT attack or not. Next, data splitting. Data is splitted into training and testing data. Future selection. Data set future, select best futures. If you have 25 future datas, we want only 10 datas using future selection algorithm to get 10 data futures. Next, classification. Classification is algorithm implementation. SVM, support vector machine, ANN, artificial neural network, and then prediction. If the given data is IoT botnet attack or not. Next, performance analysis. Okay, next, output explanation. This is our data set. This is our IoT botnet data set. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is cleaning the data set, checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with zero values and remove unwanted column. Any unwanted column are there, removing this process. Next, label encoding. Label encoding is change categorical values to numerical value. Next, data splitting. Data is splitted into X label and Y label data set. This is accuracy setting format. Next, future selection. Our future is 73, using future selection PCA algorithm to reduce 25 futures. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Algorithm implementation. Artificial neural network algorithm. Approach is like this is training. How many times train the given process, and accuracy is 89. This is classification report. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is based on true, positive, negative values. Next, support vector machine. Accuracy 99. This is SVM classification report and confusion matrix. Next, comparison graph. SVM and ANN. And then prediction status. Prediction status is like the given data is anomaly or not.